Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how you can publish your AI-generated images right to your social media using the content calendar. You can access the text-to-image generator by starting on the dashboard page and then choosing this AI image generator button here. Once you're on this page, go ahead and write in your prompt or try from these options here. And in seconds, we have our AI-generated images, and I can select an image by clicking this little icon in the upper left-hand corner. I can also select multiple images, and then use this Publish on Social button in the upper right-hand corner. Now just follow the same steps as you would to publish any post using the content calendar, which means selecting the account or accounts that you want to post to, writing in your caption, and then either saving your draft or using this drop-down to publish now, add to your queue, or schedule. Choosing your preferred date and time, and then click schedule. Now, if we go to our dashboard page, head over to the content calendar. Now that you're on the content calendar, you'll be able to see that your post is scheduled for the exact time and date that you chose. And now you don't have to worry about it, and the content calendar will publish it on that specific date and time. The AI image generator in general is just an amazing tool, but this content calendar integration is a great way for you to be able to share your content with all of your followers. Thanks for watching, and we'd love to hear from you in the comments. Check out our other tutorials to see how Simplified can simplify all your design needs. See you there.